What's up, everybody? Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys another iconic unboxing here. Today we have 4 FedEx aircraft. Actually, I do have 5, but we have 3 767-300ERs, or 300Fs, excuse me, and then 2 757-200Fs. So really, these are kind of hard to get out there nowadays. These are selling out everywhere, so I now have 3 of these plus 1 in my fleet, and then we now have 2 of the 757s, which I don't think I had yet. So very iconic here. I've seen these at Minneapolis many times. I'm like, I need to pick these things up. Finally got 2 of them over here, so very good. But yeah, let's unbox a couple of these and we can take a look here, guys. So let's get right into it. Coming over here, we have the FedEx Express 757-200F, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. So you can see we have some details here on the box. Pause this if you want to read. And then here's the aircraft here. Of course, we're going to get it open for you guys. 2024 release here. Awesome. I might honestly, maybe 2 is enough. We'll see. Let's get it open. All right, guys, here it is in all its glory. I know the 757, at least the freighters, are going to be around for a long time, so that makes me happy that I don't got to worry about these things going anytime soon. Let's get you guys a good view here. Oh yeah, these are cool. You see these things a lot at MSP Airport. I don't really know what other airports that are smaller that these fly into. Obviously, I believe Memphis is the hub. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Gemini jets, of course. Nice sturdy landing gear on these things, guys. Rolls-Royce engines, as you can see. Yeah, I mean, definitely gets the job done for 757-200F and having for your cargo at your airport. So it's nice to have a variety of these for the cargo aircraft. I do have some MD-11 FedEx. I think I have maybe have a DC-10, I don't remember. I know I have a 777 at least too, so but I needed some more realistic aircraft that fly into the smaller airports too, so here we are. So super cool. Let's go ahead and get one of the 767s unboxed too, guys. One moment. All right, guys, we're opening the 767 here. As you guys can see, here it is in the box. And here are some details here. Pause if you want to read, guys. Again, let's get it open. All right, guys, here is the 767F. 300F, that is. Lots of nice detail here. Nice and clean. I mean, for a 767, you got enough details here. I don't know if I have one of the winglet versions, but I do want to get one of the winglet versions of this. Just a nice looking plane, guys. These pretty much fly to, I wouldn't say like any airport, but most big airports have these including the prime ones. So I'd say for my win-win, I now have the prime 767s with winglets. I also have a prime 767, I think, without winglets. And then I also have now more the 767-300 FedEx too, and the 757. So we're pretty much we're collecting the gauntlet rings of Thanos. That's for sure. Of cargo aircraft, at least for the United States. I do have to get some DHL 767s and 757s still, but other than that, guys, we're doing pretty good. Iconic aircraft right here, as you guys can see. Not much more needs to be said. Pretty good looking planes. Sake of time, we're just going to open these 2 here, guys, but I hope you enjoyed my quick unboxing here of the FedEx 767-300F and 757-200F from Gemini Jets models. We'll see you guys in the next video. I wish you guys happy collecting. Instagram, TikTok, Model Airport Nation, guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying.